Hello there, Dee.
Hi, Paul. How's it going?
It's going well now. I believe that you've got a very interesting astrology class that's going to be held on Wednesday evening and morning for our UK friends.
Yep, it's going to be about transits. So, if you've never actually gone into this field of astrology before, it'll be very, very interesting because it'll be very much an introductionary course. So, how do the current planetary movements affect you and how do they help you evolve as a soul?
Yes, what I understand from this is that when we are born, we have like a map, which is with the planetary positions, the constellations, and this forms like a map of influences, imprints of who you are.
Energy, yeah.
Energy. And this, from your perspective, Dee, is an evolving map that as you grow older, you will evolve and learn through all the different energies and how they relate to each other.
Correct. And then, of course, the Earth is within its solar system, and that's getting influenced by all of the planets in our solar system, and so are we. So it'll be points of awakening as the planets affect our birth chart. They give us a big sense of push or realization, and these are usually called transits. So they usually can happen quite suddenly, quite dramatically, but others are more subtle. And so we really want to teach you a lot about the nature of these transits and how they actually can help you just through having the awareness about them. So it should be a pretty interesting course.
Yes, and I gather, like with your other astrology courses, that you can do the natal charts for everyone.
Mm.
So you may be able to say some important things for people about how their transits are doing with their particular charts.
That's right, because all of our workshops are they're not only interactive, they're was it experiential.
That's
Mm.
exactly right. And you're such a wonderful astrologer in the way you perceive things for people that I'm sure this will be very, very interesting.
Yes. So once again, this workshop is going to be on Wednesday, which would be which 23rd of February at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Time and 8 a.m. for our friends in the UK. So hope to see you there.
Yes, see you there.